Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: sleep. We all know how crucial a good night's sleep is for our physical and mental health. When you're well rested, you're more focused, energized, and overall, you just feel better. But sometimes getting those Z's can be a real struggle. That's where your diet comes in. Believe it or not, the foods you consume can actually impact your sleep quality. We're not just talking about avoiding caffeine before bed, though that's important too, but rather focusing on specific foods that can actually promote better sleep. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, stick around. I'm going to share 5 delicious and easily accessible foods that can help you unlock a world of restful, rejuvenating sleep. First up, we've got almonds, a popular snack that's packed with nutrients including magnesium. These little nuts are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. Now, why is magnesium so important for sleep? Magnesium is a mineral that many people don't get enough of, yet it plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. Well, magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. Think of it as your body's natural relaxant. It helps to calm the nervous system and prepare your body for rest. Magnesium helps to quiet those racing thoughts that keep you up at night and allows your muscles to relax, preparing your body for a peaceful slumber. This means you can fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper, more restorative sleep. And guess what? Almonds are a fantastic source of magnesium. Just a small serving can make a big difference. Just a handful of almonds before bed can provide a significant portion of your daily magnesium needs, helping to ease you into a restful sleep. It's a simple and tasty way to boost your magnesium intake, but the benefits of almonds don't stop there. They are also packed with other essential nutrients. They're also a good source of protein and fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night. This is crucial because fluctuating blood sugar levels can disrupt your sleep. Stable blood sugar means you're less likely to experience those pesky middle-of-the-night awakenings caused by blood sugar spikes and crashes. Consistent blood sugar levels contribute to a more uninterrupted and restful sleep. So incorporating almonds into your diet is a win-win situation. Not only do they help you sleep better, but they also provide a nutritious boost to your daily diet. Enjoy them as a bedtime snack, sprinkle them on your yogurt in the morning, or add them to your trail mix for a healthy and sleep-promoting boost. There are countless ways to include almonds in your meals and snacks. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your sleep quality. By making mindful choices, you can improve your overall well-being. And who doesn't love a delicious and nutritious snack that doubles as a sleep aid? It's a simple, tasty, and effective way to enhance your sleep. Give almonds a try and see the difference for yourself. You'll be amazed at how such a small change can lead to better sleep and improved health. Next on our list is a fruit that's small in size but mighty in its sleep-promoting power: the kiwi. This unassuming fruit, often overlooked in favor of more popular options, holds a secret weapon for those struggling with sleep. This fuzzy little fruit is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin C and vitamin K, which are essential for overall health and well-being. But what makes it a true sleep superhero is its high serotonin content. Serotonin is a key player in the sleep-wake cycle, helping to regulate mood and anxiety levels, which can often interfere with a good night's sleep. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. It helps to calm the mind and prepare the body for rest, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. It's a precursor to melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, which helps to regulate our internal clock and signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down for sleep. Melatonin production is crucial for maintaining a healthy sleep pattern. Studies have shown that consuming kiwi can actually improve sleep quality and duration. This is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from insomnia or other sleep disorders. One study found that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed for 4 weeks led to significant improvements in sleep onset, duration, and efficiency. Participants fell asleep faster, slept longer, and experienced better sleep quality overall. That's right, just 2 kiwis. This simple addition to your nightly routine could make a world of difference in your sleep patterns. Researchers believe that the combination of serotonin, antioxidants, and folate found in kiwis contributes to their sleep-enhancing effects. Antioxidants help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, while folate supports brain function and mental health. So how can you incorporate this sleep-promoting fruit into your diet? It's simple. There are countless ways to enjoy kiwis, whether as a standalone snack or as part of a meal. Enjoy a kiwi as a bedtime snack, savoring its sweet and tangy flavor as you wind down for the night. Add it to your breakfast smoothie for a refreshing start to your day, packed with nutrients that will keep you energized. Or slice it up in your yogurt or salad for a burst of flavor and a boost of sleep-promoting benefits. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Kiwis are delicious and refreshing, making them an enjoyable addition to your diet. Their unique taste and texture make them a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. So, next time you're grocery shopping, be sure to pick up some kiwis and experience the sleep-enhancing power of this incredible fruit. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be taking a step towards better sleep and overall health. Chapter 3, Chamomile Tea, your bedtime ritual essential. Let's move on to a soothing beverage that's been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep: chamomile tea. This herbal infusion is not just a drink, it's a tradition passed down through generations. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects, thanks to a special compound it contains called apigenin. This compound is what makes chamomile tea a go-to remedy for those seeking tranquility. Apigenin is an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It's like a natural sedative that helps to quiet your mind and prepare your body for rest. Think of it as a gentle hug for your brain, calming those racing thoughts and easing you into a peaceful state of mind. It's a simple yet effective way to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Studies have shown that chamomile tea can improve sleep quality, reduce insomnia symptoms, and even help with daytime anxiety. It's a natural solution that can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. One study found that drinking chamomile tea twice a day for 4 weeks significantly improved sleep quality in participants with insomnia. This shows that incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine can have lasting benefits. The best part about chamomile tea is its versatility. You can customize it to suit your taste and preferences, making it a delightful part of your nightly ritual. You can enjoy it hot or cold, add a touch of honey or lemon for flavor, or even incorporate it into your bedtime routine as a relaxing ritual. The possibilities are endless, and each variation offers its own unique benefits. Imagine this: dimming the lights, slipping into your pajamas, and sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea while listening to calming music. This simple act can transform your bedtime routine into a soothing experience. Sounds like the perfect way to unwind after a long day, right? It's a moment of peace and relaxation that you can look forward to every night. So, ditch the screens, brew yourself a cup of chamomile tea, and let the soothing aroma and calming effects lull you into a restful night's sleep. Embrace this nightly ritual and experience the difference it can make in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Chapter 4, Fatty Fish, your brain's best friend for sleep. Now let's talk about a delicious and nutritious food that's often praised for its health benefits, including its positive impact on sleep: fatty fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which play a crucial role in promoting restful sleep. Let's start with vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin is not only essential for bone health, but also plays a vital role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and sleep disorders, highlighting the importance of ensuring adequate levels of this essential nutrient. Now, onto omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats, particularly EPA and DHA, have been shown to improve sleep quality, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. They work by regulating neurotransmitters, including serotonin, which we already know is crucial for sleep regulation. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week can provide your body with a healthy dose of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, setting you up for a more restful sleep. Grill it, bake it, or add it to your salads. The options are endless. And the best part? Fatty fish is delicious and versatile, making it an enjoyable addition to any meal. Chapter 5. Walnuts: melatonin powerhouses for better sleep. Last but not least, we have walnuts, a tasty and convenient snack that packs a powerful sleep-promoting punch. What makes walnuts so special in the sleep department is their melatonin content. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythm, our body's natural sleep-wake cycle. As the sun sets, our bodies naturally produce melatonin, signaling to our systems that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Walnuts are one of the few food sources that naturally contain melatonin, making them a valuable addition to your diet if you're struggling to get a good night's rest. But the benefits of walnuts don't stop there. They're also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating a handful of walnuts into your diet can be as simple as enjoying them as a bedtime snack, adding them to your trail mix, or sprinkling them on your yogurt or oatmeal. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Outro: sweet dreams and happy snacking. There you have it, folks. 5 delicious and easily accessible foods that can help you get a better night's sleep. Incorporate these foods into your diet and see how they can help you unlock a world of restful, rejuvenating sleep. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being, including your sleep quality. So, prioritize those Z's and enjoy the benefits of a well-rested body and mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks.